Hi guys, and welcome to the Amateur Tutorial YouTube channel. Today we're going to check out the Google Daydream View. As you can see, it's a visor for you to place in your cell phone and use it for VR. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing first of all, see what comes in the box and the box itself. So as you can see here, it says Daydream Ready VR. It requires Daydream Ready phone, so I have a Pixel 2 that's gonna work perfectly. Not all phones work because they need to have a specific processor and it needs to be smooth enough. Dream with your eyes open. This is the remote control that it comes in the box. Daydream View, charcoal, stuff like that. What comes in the box? You could see here it says include headset, removable top strap and controller, USB Type-C and charger for controller not included, and phone not included obviously. And that would be basically it. So if I open it up, okay, so this is the Daydream View. So you can see here you got the strap. And here is my Pixel 2. So I'm just gonna take it out real quick and show you how this is done. This is only gonna be a quick tutorial just to show you. You slide it like this. And afterwards I'm gonna do another video where I do a first configuration and then the first impression. But basically, this is what the Daydream View is, and this is the remote control, which I'm having a little bit of problem getting out. Oh, here it is. Okay, so it's small. As you can see, it's small. It only has few buttons, so minus a circle, 2 buttons on the side, and this, which I believe it's tactile. But anyway, let's see what other things come in the box. Let's get started. Let's get the right fit and be safe. So let's see what it says here. Get started, download the Daydream app. Get the right fit, so it says how to strap it on, and that would be basically it. And here you'll see obviously that it has adjustable things in order to fit your head. So basically it comes like this, and you're able to pop it into your head, and then you'll be using the VR goggles. So this was a very first look and a quick unboxing of the Google Daydream View. I'm very much excited to test it out and see how it works. As I said, I'm gonna do another tutorial of how to configure it, how it works, and then another first impression. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, that helps us a lot. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you and have a great